there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have an exciting review of a powerhouse laptop that's making waves in the market. Whether you're looking for a machine that can handle intensive workloads, gaming, or just your everyday tasks with ease, this laptop promises to deliver. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the design and build quality. This laptop features a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, offering crisp and vibrant visuals from any angle. The metal shell in gray gives it a premium feel and ensures durability. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's built to last. Under the hood, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U Octa-Core Processor. This processor is known for its high performance and efficiency, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're running multiple applications, editing videos, or playing your favorite games, the Ryzen 7 has got you covered. Paired with this powerhouse of a processor, we have 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. This means you can keep multiple tabs open, run software simultaneously, and switch between tasks without any lag. It's perfect for professionals who need a reliable machine for heavy-duty tasks. Now, let's talk storage. This laptop comes with a whopping 1 TB PCIe SSD. Not only does this provide ample space for all your files, applications, and media, but it also ensures lightning-fast boot times and quick access to your data. Say goodbye to long loading times and hello to efficiency. Security is another strong suit of this laptop. It features a fingerprint reader, allowing you to log in quickly and securely. No more typing in passwords or worrying about unauthorized access. Your data stays safe and protected. For those who work late into the night or in low-light conditions, the backlit keyboard is a lifesaver. It provides excellent visibility and a comfortable typing experience, making it easy to get your work done anytime, anywhere. Video calls and virtual meetings are now a norm, and this laptop doesn't disappoint. The integrated webcam delivers high-quality video, ensuring you look your best during calls. Coupled with the advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can enjoy faster and more stable internet connections, making laggy video calls a thing of the past. And of course, this laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro. The latest operating system from Microsoft brings a host of new features and improvements, enhancing your productivity and providing a seamless user experience. So, to sum it up, this laptop is a beast. It's powerful, it's sleek, and it's designed to meet the demands of modern users. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, this laptop has everything you need to stay ahead. If you're in the market for a new laptop, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let us know in the comments what you think about this laptop and if you have any questions. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time.